Someone is knocking.
I will check.
Who is it?
It is Linda.
Our neighbor?
Yes, from next door.
Oh no, what does she want?
Let me open the door.
Be nice.
I am always nice.
What is she saying?
She invited us tonight.
To what?
A party.
A party? No way.
We should go.
I do not like parties.
It is just neighbors.
I am bad at talking.
You will be fine.
What if I say something stupid?
You will not.
I always do.
Just smile and listen.
That's it?
Yes, easy.
Okay, fine. What time?
7 o'clock tonight.
What should I wear?
Wear the blue shirt.
Is it too formal?
No, it is perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
What about my shoes?
The brown ones.
Okay, what do I talk about?
Anything.
Like what?
The weather, their house, food.
That is so boring.
Boring is safe.
What if they ask about work?
Tell them.
My job is boring too.
Then ask them questions.
What questions?
Where are you from? How long here?
That is all?
Yes, keep it simple.
Simple. Got it.
You are thinking too much.
I cannot help it.
Just relax.
Easy for you to say.
We will leave early if you want.
There are so many people.
It is okay.
I want to go home.
We just arrived.
I forgot the wine.
I brought it.
Oh, right.
Come on, let us go in.
You go first.
No, together.
Everyone is staring.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Stop it.
Who is that guy?
I do not know.
What if he talks to me?
Be polite.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Good, like that.
This is so hard.
You are doing great.
I am sweating.
No one notices.
Where is Linda?
Over there, by the kitchen.
Should we say hi?
Yes, now.
Hey, you are new here.
Yes, kind of.
I am Mark.
Hi, Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
You live next to Linda?
Yes, we do.
Great neighborhood.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
New York.
New York? Wow. Yep, I love New York.
That is nice.
What do you do?
I work in IT.
IT? Cool. Thanks. What kind of IT?
Just computers.
Awesome. I love tech.
Mm-hmm.
You like the city here?
It is okay.
Just okay? I mean, yes, good.
Hi, I am Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I am Mark.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Great party, right?
Yes, Linda always does this.
Really? How often?
Every few months.
That is so fun.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I do.
Your husband is quiet.
He is just shy.
Oh, I see.
He is a good listener.
That is important.
Exactly.
Have you tried the food?
Not yet.
The chicken is amazing.
We should try it.
Yes, go now.
Thank you for the tip.
No problem.
Tom, let's get some food.
Nice talking to you both.
You too, Mark.
This chicken is good.
I told you.
Mark was nice.
See? Not scary.
I was terrible.
You were fine.
I said 2 words.
That is okay.
You saved me.
I helped.
I need more practice.
You will get better.
Can we leave now?
Do you want to?
I do not know.
Be honest.
Maybe stay a bit?
Really?
The food is good,
Okay.
and people are nice.
They are.
I still hate small talk.
Everyone does.
Really?
Yes, everyone is nervous.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Here, try this.